Hello dear subscribers. Today beautiful day, I decide make a video, almost all of them here. So this is Subaru Sambar, the mini truck on steroids. This one is very nice, runs amazing. It's just a supercharger does it. So it's still available. I still have to detail it, and I haven't serviced it. This one is ready. It's a TT2, some Subaru Sambar injectors. Very nice, very clean. And next one will be Honda Attack. This truck got everything, four-wheel drive, high-low gears, back and rear also high-low. So we got a lot on this truck. It's power steering, which is this one power steering also. This one got power steering, AC, four-wheel drive, high-low gear, differential locks, everything on this truck. This is very rare model, very low on miles, in very nice condition, newer model. Next gonna be dump. Also this one got safety airbag for driver. This one TT2 also got safety airbag for driver. This is very nice low mile Subaru Sambar, which is probably will be sold Monday or Tuesday. The gentleman from Knoxville interested on it. It's only 11,800 miles. Very low on miles, runs great, runs amazing. This is Hijet, brand new Subaru Hijet, Subaru Daihatsu Hijet. Got only 3,100 miles. Only 3,100 miles. Very low on miles. Perfect shape. No dents, just in perfect shape, inside and out. Very nice truck. Got some nice tires. These tires usually go to the dump trucks. Some Japanese guy put it on just a regular mini truck. Very nice. Oh shit, interesting. What's that means? I need to translate that. This one is my neighbor's Suzuki Carry, new generation. Got safety airbag, injectors. Very nice truck. 13,670 miles only. Very nice truck. Clean, super clean. Super clean. I'll probably paint the bed whenever time will come to this truck. I haven't serviced it yet. There's Mr. Trump. Mitsubishi Minicap. Hard to get them. I am constantly trying to get Mitsubishi Minicap dump truck, and it's very hard. That's a 6th generation. It's a lot bigger inside. It's injectors, four-wheel drive. Very nice, very clean. How many miles? 13,050 miles only. Very nice truck. All of them, almost all of them, got Japanese inspection. And Japanese inspection, they are strict. I will service it. I do have that plastic covers. They ripped them off on the ship. So I'm gonna clean it all, service it. On this one I'm going to replace timing belt, crankshaft seal, water pump, tensioner bearing, oil, no oils, all of them, transmission, transfer cases if it have one, axle oils been replaced. So here's another Daihatsu Hijet. That's a very nice one, 8,700 miles, 1994 model, which is other one, I believe, newer model or newer year, 1997, yeah. Same, perfect shape, clean. Four-wheel drive. I got Suzuki Every Plus for sale. This one is a rear-wheel drive, but it's automatic. It's got AC, perfect shape. We did repaint the roof. It was got some scratches and stuff there. I replaced some seals and some sensors, so now it runs perfect. Very good, nice. 1300 cc, very cheap on fuel. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 passenger seats. 7 passenger seats, very rear seats. Got belts, middle seats, got safety belts also, and of course in the front. And this is rear model, older model, Honda Acti Street. Honda Street 5 manual, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. That's an older model. What year? 1992. Need to wash them. And here is Daihatsu Jumbo, 5-speed manual. It's a little bigger, the cab. They call it Jumbo because it's got little space here, and even little seats, unfoldable seats for little Japanese kids. Probably. This is my neighbor's Toyota Venza, very nice. He take care of this car. The paint kind of faded, but other than that it's a perfect car, very good car. So if anybody interested, they can call Rick or Bo. Here is the phone number. V6. Very nice. And here's the Jumbo. Next we'll have Subaru Sambar dump truck. This one is just in perfect shape. A lot of add-ons on it, like special bumper, front windshield visor, AC on this truck. It's got rear. Oh, not this one. Wait. Yeah, very nice truck. Got chalk, 4 wheels, shovel, everything. Rear utility light. And I put brand new dump truck tires, heavy duty. They are built for highway and mud. Very nice truck. 5-speed manual. Dump operates by the button. It's electric, hydraulic. So electric motor pushes hydraulic. and it's got toolbox. Very nice truck. This is Mitsubishi Minicap I was talking about. I'm gonna sell it cheap, but the guy, the local guy, nice guy, he already bought it. Nice truck. This was just rusty, so I did paint it myself first time. Got Japanese inspection also, but this is not for sale. Yeah, this is sold. Nice truck. Yeah, he is blessed man. He got it. He got 2 vehicles from me, and he got very good deal. He is hard-working man. Yeah, owns some kind of excavating company. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. I do have one more Mitsubishi Minicap. It's a dump truck, auto shift, 4-wheel drive, but the engine, when it's arrived, the engine was knocking. So if somebody wanna buy it as is and fix the engine, you can, or I am searching. That's no problem to buy an engine. I mean, it's probably nothing big, but I don't wanna rebuild the engines. I don't like too much work, so I'll just probably order engine, and it's gonna be brand new engine, Mitsubishi Minicap, auto shift with brand new engine, unless somebody wanna buy it and do it himself. So it's gonna be like that, but dump. That's that dump truck also 6th generation, bigger one. That's it. Have a blessed life. Enjoy this beautiful day. Finally it's getting warmer. Hopefully we'll get some snow. That's a very nice Subaru TT too. Runs like this is supercharged Subaru, but TT runs almost like supercharged with injectors and everything. They did very good job on this newer Subarus. It's just runs perfect, runs very good. And I did paint everything here. It wasn't bad, I just want to make it a lot more better. That's it. This is gonna be more vehicle arrives, some newer model. I'll get some mini truck. I think it's Suzuki Carry with a turbo on it. Something else fancy I'm getting. I forgot. Suzuki turbo and something else. Yeah, rare model. I'll try get some. I like to get me here the fire truck. They are awesome. Usually they're only like 1, 2, 3, 4,000 miles, almost brand new. Okay, have a blessed life.